Vegetables. Vegetables vocabulary. Most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. None have cholesterol. Most vegetables are naturally low in fat and calories. None have cholesterol. Artichoke. 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 Asparagus. 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 Aubergine or eggplant. Aubergine or eggplant. Beetroot. 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 Broccoli. 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 Cabbage. 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 Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Red cabbage. Carrot. 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 Cauliflower. 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 Celery. 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 Courgette or zucchini. Courgette or zucchini. Cucumber. 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 Garlic. 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 Green beans. Green beans. Green beans. Green chili. Green chili. Green chili. Red chili. Red chili. Red chili. Lettuce. 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 Mushrooms. 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 Olives. 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 Onion. 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 Purple onion. Purple onion. Purple onion. Peas. 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 Pepper. Green pepper. Red pepper. Potatoes. 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 Pumpkin. 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 Radish. 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 Spring onions. Spring onions. Spring onions. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. 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 Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts. Beans. 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 Tomatoes. 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 Vegetables are an important source of many nutrients and they help to maintain healthy blood pressure. Vegetables are an important source of many nutrients and they help to maintain healthy blood pressure.